Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Ecom Academy, and for today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create and customize your navigation bar in your Weebly website. Now without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to open up my computer browser and it will lead me to my Weebly editor page. Now as you can see, right about here is my navigation bar. So this is your logo. You can turn this off if you want, or you can change the logo by uploading a photo from your computer or going to a website and click or copying and paste it an image URL right about here. So for now, if you want to customize your navigation bar right about here, so this is my navigation bar, just simply go to pages, and as you can see, we have home, we have shop, we have about, updates, and contacts. So if you want to add some more, just simply click on this plus icon right here, and you have the option to select whether you want to have a standard page, a blog page, a category page, a product page, an external page, a non-clickable menu. So for example, I'm just gonna say standard page right here, and I'm gonna name this page email. So for example, I'm just gonna say done. And as you can see, this is the new page that we have created on our navigation bar. Now if you want to delete a certain navigation bar, for example, I'm going to delete the email right here, all you have to do is to select this one right here and just simply click hit on delete right about there, and as you can see, it is now deleted. So it's as simple as that. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!